What if I told you there is a species that has been engineering climate-controlled skyscrapers for 250 million years,
Ow.
and they're completely blind? What you're about to discover will make you question everything you know about architecture. These structures are so massive they can be seen from space, built by insects smaller than your fingernail. How is this even possible? Welcome to the termite empire world, where being blind doesn't stop you from being the greatest architects on Earth. This isn't just random digging. This is precision engineering that puts our modern buildings to shame. A super civilization where construction genius far exceeds brain size, and every individual is born knowing exactly what to build. How do you construct a 30-foot tower that's taller than a giraffe without eyes, without blueprints, without even a single engineer giving orders? Termites solved this impossible puzzle millions of years ago. Their secret? Pheromones and vibrations, chemical and physical signals so sophisticated, they turn millions of blind workers into one perfect construction machine. Without architects, without managers, without seeing what they're building, millions operate as a single mind. They communicate through scent trails and ground vibration signals more precise than our most advanced GPS systems. When termites build their massive ventilation chimneys, they're not just following instinct, they're using fluid dynamics and thermodynamics. Have you ever seen a termite mound maintain the exact same temperature inside, whether it's freezing cold or burning hot outside? That's not luck. That's engineering genius. But here's where it gets insane. When macroterms termites build their cathedral mounds, they create spiraling air shafts that work like natural air conditioners, pulling cool air from underground, pushing hot air out the top, maintaining a perfect 87 degrees Fahrenheit for their fungus farms. Human architects studied these mounds and copied the design to build the Eastgate Centre in Zimbabwe, a building that uses 90% less energy for cooling. Fungus-growing termites don't just build homes, they're farmers running underground climate-controlled greenhouses. Some species construct elaborate tunnel networks spanning miles, connecting multiple colonies like ancient Roman roads. Others practice sustainable forestry, carefully harvesting dead wood without destroying living trees. Architecture, agriculture, sustainability, climate engineering, all perfected before humans even existed. Here's the mind-blowing truth. A single termite, practically helpless, but the colony? It's an unstoppable force of nature. A termite's power doesn't come from individual strength. It comes from collective intelligence and perfect organization. They teach us that in this world, you don't need eyes to have vision. You don't need size to build big. You don't need individual genius when you have unified purpose. These blind architects have been thriving for 250 million years, surviving asteroid impacts, ice ages, and mass extinctions. Maybe the empire beneath our feet holds the blueprint for our future. Because in nature's ultimate test, survival belongs to those who build together.